Having issues with iCloud Drive not syncing on Mac and iOS devices. Looking for an effective solution? In this video, you will learn how to fix this issue with ease. Part 1. How to fix iCloud Drive not syncing on Mac. Here we will show you 6 solutions to fix iCloud Drive not syncing on Mac. Fix 1. Make sure Mac is using the local date and time. Step 1. Head to System Preferences, then choose Date and Time. Now choose the time zone. Step 2. At the bottom of the screen, click on the lock icon, then enter the admin password to unlock. Step 3. Choose Date and Time, then check the option for Set Time and Date automatically. Fix 2. Sign out of your iCloud, then sign in again. Step 1. Select Apple menu, then choose System Preferences, click on Apple ID, and proceed to Overview. Choose iCloud in the System Preferences. Step 2. Tap on Sign Out below Apple ID iCloud window and exit it. Step 3. Click on the Apple logo, then restart. Step 4. Now open the Apple ID iCloud from the System Preferences. Once done restarting the computer, Step 5. Input your Apple ID and passcode to log into iCloud on Mac. Tap iCloud and turn it on. Now iCloud is active and will automatically sync with iCloud Drive and any other Apple devices you have. Fix 3. Check to see if you've enabled items to sync in iCloud. To ensure your document folders sync with iCloud Drive, go to System Preferences, select Apple ID, and click Options next to iCloud Drive. Make sure the items you want to sync are checked. If they're not, check them to enable syncing. Fix 4. Check if you've signed into the same iCloud account on all devices. If iCloud Drive isn't syncing, make sure all devices are signed into the same Apple ID. Log out and back in to ensure they're using the same account, which should appear under your Apple ID. Fix 5. Update your Mac. Step 1. Launch the Apple menu and choose System Preferences. When there, choose Software Update. Step 2. Tap Update Now or Upgrade Now to upgrade macOS. Fix 6. Get help from Apple. If the previous solutions don't fix the issue, contact Apple support for help. Provide details about the problem, and they'll use their expertise to identify the cause. Part 2. How to fix iCloud not working on iOS devices. For an easier fix, consider using a reliable third-party tool like iOS System Recovery, which is known for effectively resolving iCloud issues on iOS devices quickly. Step 1. Install iOS System Recovery on the computer and launch it. Select More Tools on the left and choose iOS System Recovery from the main interface to go to the iPhone System Recovery window. Step 2. Press the Start button to start fixing your iPhone's system issues and boot the device into recovery mode. Step 3. Tap the repair icon and download the correct iPhone firmware. After downloading the firmware, the software will start fixing issues in your iPhone and allow iCloud to work as supposed.